Alright, today I'm in Denver. Drove through Castle Rock and we're staying in this really cheap, kind of crappy hotel. It's alright though. It was a fun drive up here and with my friend Chris and this guy Jeff, who from our church talks about everything. He's like the most knowledgeable person on the planet. Anyways, we're at this hotel, the Stop and Flop Hotel Notel Motel. It's not bad, I mean, it's just don't look under the mattress. Alright, well, it's snack time during this little conference. I've learned just about everything there is to know about mics, microphones, and all the different types there is, and all the little tiny parts within them, and all the stuff that isn't really practical information. In about an hour and a half, we sat there and covered tons of information that I'm probably never going to use. Now we're getting to the interesting part, I think. For now, I'm just walking around getting some fresh air and eating my crackers. So, Chris and Jeff, who's in the shower for now, and I are back at the hotel. And oh, hey, what's up still? so we're back at the hotel. We're gonna go to bed now. Be up at what? 6?
We're gonna get up at 7.
We're gonna get up at 7. Apparently, that's really late. Okay. Anyways, good night.